Good morning, Namaskar everyone. I am Mrs. Vijay Shastri. Welcome to you our third standard SS class. As you know, we already started PA1 last chapter number 5, that is our country. And yesterday we completed reading and some hard words. I hope you all completed that work in your fair notebook, and I hope you also read the chapter. Before doing that one, going to start our day, we will start our day with a good thought. Today's thought of the day is, as you know more, you grow more. आप जितना जानोगे आप उतना उसके बारे में नॉलेज लेते जाओगे. एज यू नो मोर, आप जितना जानोगे किसी भी चीज में, पढ़ाई में या कोई भी काम में, आप उससे आगे बढ़ते जाओगे. ओके, दिस इज अवर थॉट ऑफ द डे. एंड टुडेज एक्टिविटी इज नेम अ फ्यू अवर हेल्पर्स. हमारे जो हेल्पर्स है उनका नेम आपको लिखना है. नेम अवर फ्यू हेल्पर्स लाइक पोस्टमैन, डॉक्टर, मिल्कमैन, हाउसमेट्स. Many are there. You have to write their name in your 6 number notebook, and what you have to do, you have to send that activity in my personal WhatsApp group. Some students are regularly doing and they are doing very good job. Who are sending that pics? Very good. Keep it up everyone. So today is our chapter, our country. First I am going to read page number 33 and 34. Okay. Page number 33 and 34 is remaining. First we will read the pages, then I am going to explain from page number 32. Okay. Some hard words are remaining. We will complete that hard words too. Sorry. So I hope you all completed this one. Only our page number 34 is remaining. Our reading page number 34 is remaining. Today we will read page number 34. The plateau of Tibet is the highest plateau in the world. It is known as the roof of the world. The deserts are shown in yellow color. Deserts are sandy areas. There is no water or a very little water in these areas. They get scanty rainfall. The camel is the main animal of the desert. The only desert in India, the Thar Desert, lies in Rajasthan. The coastal plains look at the green color areas along the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. These are called western and eastern coastal plains respectively. The islands are land masses covered by water on all its sides. See the islands located in the Arabian Sea in the above map. These are the Lakshadweep Islands. The islands in the Bay of Bengal are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So, quick review means हमने इतना सारा चैप्टर में जो रीड किया है उसका शॉर्ट में आपको क्विक रिव्यू आई एम गोइंग टू रीड नाउ. इंडिया इज माय कंट्री. इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड भारत. A physical map shows rivers, mountains, plateaus and plains. The Himalayas are in the north of the India. Plains are flat and level land. These are generally shown in green color. The northern plains of India are very fertile. The Deccan Plateau is a triangular in shape. It is rich in minerals. The coastal plains, eastern and western, are very, very fertile. The desert is the sandy and dry area. Thar Desert of India lies in Rajasthan. Okay. these are quick review of our chapter and some word meanings are given here. Fact is there. A country is also called nation or a state. Okay, country को हम states भी बोल सकते हैं, nation भी बोल सकते हैं. The Mount Everest, which is the highest peak in the world, is in Nepal. Now, search mirror. Plateau. What is meaning of plateau? Plateau, an area of fairly high level ground. Scanty, very little. Scanty means very little. This is our reading. We already completed page number 32, 33 and 34. So I am going to write some word meanings, some hard words are remaining. So I hope you all will copy from both. I hope 22 we completed. Next one, playground. (24) agriculture. Triangular. Deserts. Scanty. S-C-A-N-T-Y. Scanty means very little. Now, name of the rivers. Satluj, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, islands, land masses, okay, I think these hard words you have to copy in your fair notebook. Okay, now today I am going to give you have to write this also in your fair notebook. Physical divisions. Yesterday I said you physical divisions. First one is the northern mountains. Second one is the northern plains. Third is the Thar Desert. If small page is there, you have to skip that page. आपका राइटिंग में वर्ड मीनिंग के बाद थोड़ा ही जगह है तो वो जगह छोड़ के न्यू पेज में आप 6 फिजिकल डिविजन्स ऑफ इंडिया, वो 6 फिजिकल डिविजन्स को आपको न्यू पेज में लिखना है. जगह है तो 6 एक साथ में हो सकता है तो वहां लिखो, नहीं तो न्यू पेज में लिख लो. फोर्थ, द डेक्कन प्लेटू. The coastal plains. And the island area. Okay. See here. In your map already said you that brown color shows mountains. Brown color shows mountains. Northern mountains. कहाँ पे है? North में है तो northern mountains. Then second, yellow shows the desert and orange shows plateaus. Yellow जहाँ पे दिख रहा है आपको, यहाँ पे जो येलो दिख रहा है वो राजस्थान. देखिए यहाँ पे जो दिखता है वो येलो जहाँ पे दिखता है आपको वो राजस्थान. यहाँ पे भी आपको येलो दिख रहा है. देन ऑरेंज सा प्लेट्यू, ऑरेंज कलर का जो दिख रहा है आपको प्लेट्यूज में. देन ग्रीन कलर्स आर शोज प्लेन्स, जहाँ पे भी ग्रीन कलर दिख रही है आपको वहां पे प्लेन है. और ब्लू कलर्स आर रिवर, ब्लू कलर इन बिटवीन यहाँ पे भी जो भी है वो रिवर है. और ग्रीन कलर शोज प्लेन्स, माउंटेन्स. यहाँ पे देखिए हिमालयस का यहाँ पे आपको दिखा गया है. So these 6 you have to write in your fair note book. In my next class I am going to explain the chapter. So before that you have to complete this all work in your fair note book. Hard words you have to write and this physical divisions you have to write in your fair note book. I hope you all will do this work. So after this I am going to give you some interesting activity about our India. So I will discuss to ma'am and I will tell you. If already you are watching that all videos, Facebook में हमारे जो अलग क्लासेस की जो वीडियोस आ रहे हैं वो आप देखे होंगे. वैसे ही आपको इंडिया के बारे में इंडिया मैप ड्रॉ करके 5 लाइन्स बोलना है. वैसे मुझे परमिशन मिलता है तो हम एक्टिविटी करेंगे. ओके, आई होप you all will do this activity. It's a very interesting chapter because India is our country. Our slogans are भारत माता की जय and जय हिंद. Slogans जो होती है हमारे 2 slogans से. Whenever I am explaining this chapter, I will explain you very interestingly. हमारा इंडिया को हम भारत भी बोलते हैं। आप सभी लोग मानते हो माउंट एवरेस्ट इंडिया में है, बट माउंट एवरेस्ट जो हाईएस्ट पीक जो है वो नेपाल में है। वो सभी यहाँ पे फैक्ट में दिया गया है। ओके, आई होप यू ऑल विल enjoy this chapter. Stay safe, stay good.